Hi, my name is Dina. Welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to crochet this cute avocado. I'm going to show you two different ways. One with an empty belly and the other one with the seed inside. If you want to make both of them, then stay with me, crochet with me, and enjoy your time with me. To crochet the avocado, we need light green yarn, dark green yarn, dark brown yarn, 50 gram, 125 meters, crochet hook 2.5 millimeters, scissors, safety eyes 6 millimeters, and their back, and some fiber fill. We will also need some girly color yarn to make the bow and some red yarn to make the lips of the avocados. Let's start to crochet. We start with a magic circle. We make 5 single crochets in the magic circle. Make sure you have all the 5 stitches. Close the magic circle and close the row with a slip. In the second row, we are going to increase 5 times. At the end of the row, you have to have 10 stitches. And the last increase. And we are done with the second row. We place our stitch marker and start the third row. In the third row, we are going to make 1 single crochet, and in the second stitch an increase. We repeat it 5 times. At the end of the row, we have to have 15 stitches. The last increase, and we are done with the third row. In the fourth row, we are going to make 2 single crochets, and in the third stitch an increase. We repeat it 5 times. At the end of the row, we have to have 20 stitches. And the last increase, and we are done with the fourth row. Now comes the fifth row. We are going to make 3 single crochets, and in the fourth stitch an increase. We repeat it 5 times. At the end of the row, we have to have 25 stitches. And the last increase, and the fifth row is ready. In the sixth row, we are going to make 4 single crochets, and in the fifth stitch an increase. We repeat it 5 times. At the end of the row, we have to have 30 stitches. And the last increase in this row. In the seventh row, we are going to make 5 single crochets in the first 5 stitches, and an increase in the 6th stitch. We repeat this pattern 5 times until we get to the stitch marker. At the end of the row we have to have 35 stitches. And the last increase of the 7th row, and we are done. As you can see, our empty belly avocado is really getting its shape. This is what we wanted, the belly to go inside, to be really empty. We would like to have a nice edge around the belly. I'm going to show you how to get it. We are going to use the back loops only. Normally, in a normal single crochet, we use both of the loops, the front loops and the back loops too. Now we are going to use only the back loops. So in the 8th row, we are going to make 35 back loops stitches. Okay, and the last back loop stitches, and we are done with the 8th row. We can see the nice edge we wanted to get is really showing. I would like to show you now how to get the belly with the seed. To crochet the belly with the seed, start to crochet with dark brown yarn. Follow the steps of the first 7 row. And we are going to continue from the 8th row. In the 8th row, we are going to apply the light green yarn. Pull it through. Use your stitch marker and crochet only in the front loops and make 35 stitches around. And the last front loop stitches, and we are done with the 8th row. And from the 9th row, the pattern is the same for both, for the empty belly and for the belly with the seed. We are going to crochet 6 single crochets in the first 6 stitches and an increase in the 7th stitch. We repeat it 5 times. At the end of the row, we have to have 40 stitches. And the last increase in this row. And we are done. In the 10th row, we are going to make 7 single crochets in the first 7 stitches and an increase in the 8th stitch. We repeat the pattern 5 times. At the end of the row, we have to get 45 stitches. And the last increase, and we are ready with the 10th row. In the 11th row, we are going to make 8 single crochets in the first 8 stitches and an increase in the 9th stitch. We repeat this pattern 5 times until we get to the stitch marker. At the end of the row we have to have 50 stitches altogether. The last increase of the row, and I'm completely out of focus, but never mind, I'm coming back. Yes. And now we are going to crochet the face of our avocado. We are working in the normal direction from right to left. We make 9 single crochets. And when the 9 single crochets are ready, we are going to turn. In the next row, we are going to skip the first single crochet and start to crochet from the second single crochet. Make 9 single crochets. And when the last stitch is ready, we will turn again. Skip the first stitch, start to crochet from the second one and make 8 single crochets. And when the last stitch is ready, we turn, and now comes the last row. Skip the first stitch, start to crochet from the second stitch and make 7 single crochets. And when you are done, turn, and the light green part of your avocado is ready. If you want to crochet a full avocado, then make 2 pieces. Leave the loop on the top, don't fasten off. Just cut the yarn and you are done. You did a great job. This is how it looks with the seed and without the seed. If yours are similar, then you did a great job. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to apply the safety eyes, how to crochet the back of the avocado, how to crochet the 2 pieces together, the light green and the dark green part. We will also make a tiny bow for the lady avocado, and I will show you how to apply the mouth. If you want to crochet the full avocado, then stay with me. If you have any questions, you can find me on Instagram, on Facebook, on Pinterest, or you can also send me an email. If you like this video, please click on the like button and subscribe to get notification for the second part. The pattern is free to use, but please don't forget to tag me. Use hashtag #DynamicCreations. I hope to see you next time too. Have a nice day. Bye.